I've been using placenta for more than 10 years now, and it costs me so much. One bottle costing me around 18 to 20,000 pesos. Good afternoon. My name is Captain Defencio L. Tugano Jr. I'm a former Master Mariner and now permanently working in a mining company, Telemarine Incorporated, as president. I've been using this wellness for almost 6 months now, but I've been using other wellness about 10 years ago. It has a very good benefits to me because I'm now 67 years old and look at me. I feel young, I feel strong and still energetic, and despite of my age, I'm still working here. I'm driving my car, although I can afford to use driver, but I managed to drive by my own. Of course, I do also exercise. It's daily for 25 minutes. But the benefits of this wellness, the placenta, for me is very effective. As I mentioned, I've been using placenta for more than 10 years now. The one I was using before was, and it cost me so much. One bottle with 60 capsules costing me around 18 to 20,000 pesos. When this product was introduced to me, I decided to shift to this product because it's more cheaper, but it's almost the same effect and probably more effective than the one I'm using before. For just 6,000 pesos, magiging healthy kayo. Believe me. So I would recommend this to all, especially not only for the senior citizens, but the young generations also. And I'm encouraging my seafarers to try this product for the use while on board the vessel, on board the ship. So I hope everyone will be encouraged to use placenta. Probably other products of wellness, but this is the best that I'm using now. So thank you and stay healthy, everyone. God bless you all.